Hi, friends. So, I have a fun farm book that I'd like to read to you this week, and it's called 10 Red Apples. And it has all of our favorite farm characters in it. I think you're going to really like it. So, here we go. 10 red apples hanging on a tree. Yippee! Fiddle-dee-fee. Let's count and make sure there are actually 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And look who's there. It's a horse. Horse came and ate one. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Nay! Fiddle-dee-fee. Horse, cried the farmer. Save some for me. Oh, the farmer wants an apple. Ooh, luckily there's still some apples left. 9. There's the number 9. 9 red apples hanging on a tree. Yippee! Fiddle-dee-fee. Let's make sure there are actually 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Who's hiding behind the apple tree? It's a cow. Oh. Cow came and ate one. Munch, munch, munch. Moo, moo. Fiddle-dee-fee. Cow, cried the farmer. Save one for me. All right, 9 minus 1 equals 8. All right, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 red apples hanging on the tree. Yippee! Fiddle-dee-fee. Donkey came and ate one. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Yaw. Fiddle-dee-fee. Donkey, cried the farmer. Save some for me. The farmer wants an apple. Here is our number of the week, friends. What number is that? That's right, 7. 7 red apples hanging on the tree. Yippee! Fiddle-dee-fee. The farmer's happy because there's still some apples. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Can you see who's hiding behind the tree? It's a goat. That's Miss W's favorite. Yes, she loves goats. Goat came and ate one. Gulp, gulp, gulp. Mah, mah. Fiddle-dee-fee. Goat, cried the farmer. Save some for me. All right, now this was our number last week. 7 minus 1 equals 6. All right, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And look who's hiding behind the tree. It's a pig. 6 red apples hanging on the tree. Yippee! Fiddle-dee-fee. Pig came and ate one. Oink, oink. Fiddle-dee-fee. Pig, cried the farmer. Save some for me. 6 minus 1 equals 5. We are getting less apples, fewer apples on the tree. I hope Farmer has one. 5 red apples hanging on the tree. Yippee! Fiddle-dee-fee. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you tell who that is? Yeah, it's a sheep. Sheep came and ate one. Nibble, nibble, nibble. Mah, mah. Fiddle-dee-fee. Sheep, cried the farmer. Save some for me. All right. 5 minus 1 equals 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like a goose behind the tree. 4 red apples hanging on the tree. Yippee! Fiddle-dee-fee. Goose came and ate one. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Hiss, hiss. Fiddle-dee-fee. Goose, cried the farmer. Save some for me. All right, 4 minus 1 equals 3, friends. 1, 2, 3. 3 red apples hanging on the tree. Yippee! Fiddle-dee-fee. Who's hiding behind the tree? The duck. Yep. Duck came and ate one. Pick, pick, pick. Quack, quack. Fiddle-dee-fee. Duck, cried the farmer. Save some for me. All right, 3 minus 1 equals 2. Yes, we have learned about this number. 2 red apples hanging on the tree. 1, 2. Yippee! Fiddle-dee-fee. Hen came and ate one. Peck, peck, peck. Gluck, gluck. Fiddle-dee-fee. Hen, cried the farmer. Save one for me. Oh, there's only how many apples left? Just one. One red apple hanging on the tree. Yippee! Fiddle-dee-fee. Good, said the farmer. You saved one for me. Yippee! Fiddle-dee-fee. No red apples. 0. 1 minus 1 equals 0. No red apples hanging on the tree. My, fiddle-dee-fee. No red apples to bake in a pie. Fie, fiddle-dee-fee. It's the farmer's wife. She wanted to bake a pie. Look, cried the farmer. Another apple tree. More red apples hanging on the tree. Yippee, fiddle-dee-fee. Good, cried the farmer's wife. You saved them from me. Yippee, fiddle-dee-fee. She wanted to go make an apple pie. Yum, do you guys like apple pie? Oh, there's lots of things you can make with apples. All right, I hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.